Hello viewers, now today we are to discuss another issue of a statistical subject, that is the important discussion of the topics of statistical topics, that is what do you mean by discrete variable and what do you mean by continuous variable, that is what is discrete variable and what is continuous variable. Now this is discussed as follows. When a variable can assume only isolated values, it is called a discrete variable. For example, if the number of children in a family is the variable of interest, it is obvious that it cannot assume fractional values and hence it is a discrete variable. Most discrete variables can only assume the values 0, 1, 2 up to that, but this need not to be so. The important point in that is that the possible values of the variable are separated from one another. A variable is said to be continuous if it can there theoretically assume any value which within a given range or ranges. Such variable, for instance, are height of a person, price of a commodity and time. In practice, it is not possible to measure, say, the height of a person beyond a certain degrees of fineness because of the limitation of our measuring devices. This implies that observational data will always be discrete in nature, but the concept of a continuous variable is extremely useful. From both the theoretical and practical points of view, quantitative data are far more important than qualitative data. Nevertheless, we may note here that the statistical procedures for dealing with one type of data are often applicable to the other types. So, viewers, we discuss what do mean by a discrete variable and what do mean by continuous variable. That is what is discrete variable and what is continuous variable. Next time we discuss another issue.